Okay. Kuromi and two nameless creatures. Is this Erica Robbie? Okay, I don't know. Sige. Si ano po, si Majesty, she is under our drawing class. So like what I mentioned, they're doing dry mediums as well. So watercolor. So once they're done with pencils, they incorporate colors for the use of dry mediums. Okay, thank you, Majesty.
Nahiya, hindi niya sinabi yung gusto niya sabihin.
Okay, next on line can be